English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman Sir, I thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak. I rise to oppose the maiden budget that has been presented by the Honorable Railway Minister Sri Nitish Kumar. I oppose this budget not because I belong to the opposition, but because it has no direction and vision, and also it is anti people. Another point which I would like to bring before this house is that instead of minimizing the regional imbalance, it has increased the original imbalance, as has been expressed even by the members of the treasury benches a little while ago. Sir, you have in your budget rightly stated that the railway network of our country is an instrument of national integration. We also do agree with that statement. But as far as Kerala is concerned, the state has been completely backed out in the railway map. I wanted to make a statement that this budget has not embodied the spirit of national integration. It is because the Kerala state is in the southernmost region, which is bringing major check of revenue to the railway has been completely removed from the railway budget. So that is why oppose the railway budget, and also because it lacks direction and vision. Now the honorable minister, for the sake of resources mobilization, has taxed the ordinary man very much. That is why I have called this budget an anti-people budget. Instead of taxing the people who can afford to pay the taxes even at a higher rate, he has taxed all the people, including the poor and the common man, because I found that even second class ordinary tickets and also the sweeper class have been hiked, and it is running from rupees 10 to rupees 640. If the passenger tariff has been increased only at the highest class level, that would have been properly justified. I do not find any justification in increasing the passenger tariff of the second class and all the and also the sweeper class, which are mainly used by the common man, and no improvements has been undertaken as far as sleeper class and second coaches are concerned. In respect of my state Kerala, I would request the honorable minister to come and see the bogies himself. Sri Ahmad had earlier stated that during the rainy session passengers have to open their umbrellas. I am not exaggerating it. You are welcome to see it.